This video is about making a silver clay pendant. Mother's Day was fast approaching, so I wanted to make a unique gift for my wife. I know that she loves silver jewelries, so I decided to make a silver pendant for her. I have never done any silver jewelry before, so I wasn't game enough to try solid silver. That's when I found out about silver clay, which seems to be a lot easier to work with. I watched a few YouTube tutorials to learn about making the silver clay jewelries, and once I had an understanding, I started looking in Pinterest to find some inspiration for the kind of pendant that I want to make. Being Mother's Day gift, I decided to involve my kid in making the jewelry, even if it's just a little bit. Would you like to come and help Dada?
Yeah.
Dada wants to make something a little bit special for Mama.
Hooray.
Do you want to come and help?
Yes.
Okay, shall we go now?
Yes.
Okay. I ordered the silver clay from Amazon and received it within a week. I opened the package to find that the silver clay looked a lot like Play-Doh. I read through the instructions to see how to work with the silver clay and the precaution that is needed while working on it. I needed some tools to work with. Remember I told you it looked a lot like Play-Doh? So I rummaged through my kid's Play-Doh tub and found the plastic tools that she uses to make designs in Play-Doh. Eventually I found the tools that I needed to make the pendant. I used a mini plastic rolling pin to flatten the silver clay and then used a heart-shaped cookie cutter to cut the design that I wanted. After smoothing the sides of the design, I thought it would be a great idea to stamp some wording in the pendant, and I tried to do it while the silver clay was still wet. Wasn't the best idea. It didn't really work that well and it looked really bad. So I tried to fix it by using some extra silver clay, but it didn't look that great. Well, I thought it's a handmade gift, so it is going to have some flaws and maybe that will add some character to it. After fixing it, I put a small hole in the pendant so that I can loop a chain through it. Before the pendant could dry, I got my kid to come and imprint her fingerprints in the pendant. I knew this way it is going to be a very unique gift for my wife. Once this was done, I let the pendant dry for 24 hours. It is very important to make sure that the pendant is really dry. If not, when you torch it, it's going to crack. Once the pendant was completely dry, I used a small butane torch to cure the silver clay. What happens is, like when you heat the silver clay with a torch or in a kiln, the binding material evaporates, leaving about 99% of silver product. So I started using the butane torch to heat up the silver pendant, and it wasn't long before the pendant started to glow. This shows that the transformation is complete. Once I was sure that the pendant was glowing evenly, I put it in cold water. This completes the process. The product at the moment looks like just a white clay pendant. Now it's time to use a metal brush to remove the soot on top of the pendant. On doing this, the silver gets exposed. After the soot was removed, we are left with a solid silver pendant. Then I used a silver cloth to make it shine a bit more and give it a bit of a polish. Once this was done, I used a store-bought silver chain and looped it through the pendant, and that completed the gift. This is the end product of the chain and the pendant. Now this is the first time I've made a silver clay pendant, so I don't think it is perfect. If there is any other way of doing any of the steps, please put it in the comment below. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. This channel is about traveling, learning, and making unique things. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.